What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Ben Klein. I have a stuffy nose, kind of, forgive me. And today, I will be showing you my Angry Birds stuff. Last time I did a plush collection. Well, today I'm going to be showing you my Angry Birds stuff, like more than plushes. So, first, here are my plushes that I have. So, we're going to start with the plushes. So, first off, we have is the red that you see in videos. This is a red with a torta beak and tail, and up here he's missing his other one of those flaps. A bigger version of this red, Wisco, that you guys see in the videos. A big space red. A big Star Wars red. And that is all of my red plushes. So let's come back here, and here we have my Chuck plushes. Here's the Chuck that you see in the videos. I'm trying to get a new one. 2 reasons why, too. Because if you can see, he's smaller than the other plushes. Plus, he's missing his tip, but he's not missing his tail. So I'm trying to get a new Chuck plush. And now I'm going to be showing you my bomb plushes back here. So here we have Bomb, and then a space bomb, and then I only have 1 Blue Jay, 1 Matilda, and it's the one with the bow. I only have 1 Bubbles, and it's the big puffed up one. Here's Stella, that you guys don't see Stella in the videos yet, the Star Wars one. And then we have Terrence with the big rip in his head. A big Chewbacca bird, a big Chewbacca bird, yeah. Mighty Eagle, the movie type. A regular pig and a Star Wars pig. Oh my gosh, now my back kind of hurts from bending. So now you come over here, we have some more stuff. These, remember when I counted as plushes? I'm going to count these as like pillows now. Yeah, because look, see the difference between them? Yeah. So, and then also here we have some talking Angry Bird toys. I lost my red one, but here we have Chuck. Let me demonstrate that he can talk. See? Then Bomb. Then his tail, it can come off, but I'm not going to really show you that. Here we have the pig. Here, his might have worn out. Whoa. Creepy. I mean, it's not creepy, it's just, you know. Then over here, we have some action figures. Here we have a pig, have a little Terrence, and a big Terrence. Here we have some racing cars. Here we have a Chuck one, a red one, and a Terrence one. Here we have this King Pig. We have a red Mash'em. We have this red in a slingshot, and technically he can hold on. Gotta there, so like that.
Okay, I will try.
No, sorry, we're moving on to something else. Okay, so now over here we have like this ball. He goes in the wall, it kind of makes that sound. Plus, he's really old, so he's really dirty. And we have here a bomb toy. I think it was in like a Happy Meal. This one too. They're both the same. Then we have another one of those. Of these. The bomb. See? Kind of like a ball. And this one's kind of like it. Just from like the cartoons. Whoa. Yeah, it's kind of like it.
Sound.
Sam, do you have a stuffy nose like me? Yeah, that's what I thought. So back here, we have some Angry Birds book bags.
Book bags. I was about to say backpack.
I thought these were plushes when I first saw them in the store till I saw this zipper, and they're book bags, and when I saw this too. So technically they are book bags. And guys, that is my Angry Bird stuff. Here, let me give you a view. No, wait. Hold on.
Oh,
There.
take that sock.
Hey, don't mean to chuck. Okay. Here's a big view right here of all of the stuff
I'm still
we
in
went
pajamas.
over. Yeah. So guys, whoops. So guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. We'll see you guys in the next video.